Hello students, how are you all? In the last video we have discussed about job applications, and now in today's video we are just going to learn about editorial letters. Letters that are written to the newspaper, okay? And how we'll write, let's see, okay? In the letters we know that we have to follow the 7 parts, as I told you in the last video as well. First, first, as I told you that you have to write down sender's address, then date, and then receiver's receiver's address, okay, salutation, body, and signature, and last closing. So I'm just going to write the format of the editorial letter. Then we'll see a question and try to answer that. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to write down 121 Vijayapal. Where is it? In Mansarovar. So write down here Mansarovar. Okay, and then comes date, and 2nd July. So take it 2nd July, July 2nd, 2020. Okay, is that clear? And this letter is written to editor. So write down here the editor. Okay, editor, and editor is the person who reads the letter in the newspapers. Okay, and so here comes the name of newspaper, the Times of India, the Times of India, and the office of Times of India is situated in Jaipur. Just suppose you are writing in Jaipur, so tag here Jaipur. Okay, and then your subject, why you are writing, subject. Okay, here we have to write down subject. So write down here subject, then salutation, sir and madam. Okay, sir and madam. Then comes our communication. So we will start our communication like this. Through columns of your esteemed newspaper, I, OB, would like to attract the attention of the authority and public towards, then follow the subject, why you are writing. Okay, here comes your subject, and then reason of your writing, explain your reason why you are writing. Okay, in detailed format comes your reason. After writing your reason in detail, okay, the concluding line will be, therefore I request you to publish this article of issue so that the concerning authority may look into the matter immediately. Immediately. Then comes thank you, thanking you, thanking you. Okay, let's understand it first. You are writing you are writing editorial letter, and it's a communication part, and we have to keep our attention in communication part. Okay, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, through the column means with the help of column. There are many columns. Okay, and in one of the column we find editorial column also. So we are saying with the help of column, through the column of your esteemed newspaper. Esteemed means respected. Okay, the newspaper is respected, that's why the public is buying that paper. Okay, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, IOV would like to attract the attention of the authority. Would like to attract, would like to draw the kind attention, okay, of the authority and public towards. Here comes the subject. We have to write down the subject, okay, why we are writing the letter, and then the detail comes of the reason. After writing that, after explaining your problem or issue, write down the concluding line that therefore I request you to publish this article or issue so that the concerning authority may look into the matter immediately. Okay, thanking you. I explain again that through the column means column की मदद से, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, कि जो एस्टीम न्यूज़पेपर है, मतलब आपका जो रिस्पेक्टेड न्यूज़पेपर है, इसके कॉलम के जरिए से या हेल्प से आई वुड लाइक टू अट्रैक्ट, कि मैं अट्रैक्ट करना चाहता हूँ, बताना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है, अट्रैक्ट करना चाहता हूँ अटेंशन, ध्यान किसका, अथॉरिटी का, एंड पब्लिक का टूवर्ड्स, और किस तरफ, जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट जो इश्यू है उस तरफ लाना चाहता हूँ. देन हमको एक्सप्लेन करना है यहाँ पे डिटेल, जो भी हमारी डिटेल है. Therefore, इसी कारण से आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू पब्लिश दिस आर्टिकल, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ आपसे कि आप पब्लिश कीजिए इस आर्टिकल को या इशू को, सो दैट द कंसर्निंग अथॉरिटी मे लुक इनटू द मैटर. जो कंसर्निंग अथॉरिटी है, जो जिम्मेदार अथॉरिटी है, वो लुक इनटू कर सके, वो जांच कर सके किसकी, मैटर की, इमीडिएटली. थैंकिंग यू, धन्यवाद. और उसके बाद में देन कम्स then yours faithfully and name. Write down the name. Okay, so this is the format, and now we are just going to take a question also so we can understand it better.